At first glance, this looks like a ridiculous concept. But who would have guessed that outside companies would come in and take out our timber? This has to be taken very seriously. If you look at it from this very simple economic principle, if a guy cuts trees on land he owns the trees. The trees are an asset of the land. If a guy wants to sell water from a river, can he do it if he doesn't own the river? If another guy takes water from a river to water his grapevines at no cost to him, that seems to be lawful and correct. The water is free for his taking because what he's doing by growing grapes is the greater good. That, in a nutshell, is water law in the state of California. The grape grower has turned water into grapes, and that is a greater good. So, a man who wanted to take the same water from the same river, instead of making grapes from it, wanted to sell the free water to people 1,000 miles away. So what's the difference? Is this water for the greater good, or is it just an asset to be bought and sold like any other asset? In the end, that question never came up because his idea was rejected by the Coastal Commission of the state of California, because if he sold the water to another country, it would have been an international trade question, and the Coastal Commission would then have no say about the water taking. The Coastal Commission voted down the proposal, and the underlying issue of water as an asset that can be bought and sold is still unresolved in the state of California, and now maybe the country.